Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can cancel Premiere in Booking and all official ways. Guys, let's get started. Guys, step by step I will show with you how you can do. So guys, first thing you can do, select Booking, find on the Booking you want to cancel and click just cancel Booking, and this will open a new window of the booking details and all information, and keep cancel the booking and you're down dear friends. By using this method you can easily cancel your Premiere in Booking. So guys, any question you can down below in the commenter, and I will happy to answer your question. And if I found guys this video helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content and idea. And this is how you can say guys in this video. See you soon, keep watching.